Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore DocuSign documents after sending mistakes step by step clearly. To restore DocuSign documents after sending mistakes, log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to the Manage tab on the home page. Look for the Sent folder in the sidebar. Select the document you wish to restore from your list of sent envelopes. Click on the envelope to open it. Review the details of the envelope to confirm it's the correct one. Locate the Void option at the top of the screen. Select Void to cancel the envelope. Enter a reason for voiding in the prompt that appears. Click Void again to confirm your action. Now, visit the voided folder in the sidebar to find your recently voided envelope. Open the voided envelope to access its contents. Click on the Actions drop-down menu. Choose the Create a Copy option. A new envelope will be generated with the same documents and recipients. Make any necessary adjustments to the new envelope before sending. Review the recipients and their roles in the envelope. Once satisfied, click Send to resend the document. Your corrected document is now on its way to the intended recipients. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.